Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to Google Calendar for automated follow-up reminders, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Log into your Pipedrive account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the integrations tab on the left sidebar. Click on integrations to view available connections. Scroll down to find the Google Calendar integration option. Click on Google Calendar to start the connection process. You will see an option to connect your Google account. Click on the Connect button next to the Google Calendar option. A pop-up will appear asking you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in. After signing in, Google will ask for permission to allow Pipedrive to access your calendar. Review the permissions requested by Pipedrive. Click Allow to grant permission for the integration. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Pipedrive integrations page. Check to ensure the Google Calendar integration is now marked as connected. Now scroll down to the settings for automated reminders. Find the section labeled Reminder Settings. Here, you can customize how and when you want to receive follow-up reminders. Select the time frame for reminders based on your preference. You can choose options such as 1 hour before, 1 day before, or as desired. Once your reminder settings are configured, click on Save. Now, head over to your Pipedrive deals or contacts. Open a deal or contact that you want to set a follow-up reminder for. Look for the Activities tab within the Deal or Contact view. In the Activities section, select Add Activity. Choose the type of activity, such as a call or meeting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.